Welcome to my portrait painting tutorial. On this channel, you will learn how to create amazing artwork using pastel, charcoal pencil, and oil on canvas or acrylic. So if you are a beginner or you are an experienced artist, with these tips can help you elevate and take your art to the next level. I'm just here to build your confidence in making drawings. Don't just draw because you want to draw. No, these are the mistakes some artists or beginner make. You know, if you want to start a drawing, first of all, you have that which you want to paint or draw, being a figure or an object. You know what I'm saying? So it depends on you. But drawing that you just want to draw, no, you need to have a reference. Whether you are drawing it off it or I don't know, you are looking at it, you're drawing, but it's all the same. You just need to have a reference of what you want to do. Then you start your sketch. After sketch, it is the sketch that will determine your drawing. If you don't have a perfect sketch, your drawing will not be fine. So starting a drawing is number one. You have to sketch. You have to sketch it very well. Then you start to apply painting. And there's another thing too I want you to understand. Proportion. How to make use of the space of what you want to draw. How to centralize your image in a particular given space. Whether your chipboard, your paper, or your canvas, that which you want to draw on it. You understand? So making the whole object or figure centralized in that space that you want to use in making your artwork. That's what we call proportion. But these are the basic things that you need to understand. The proportion is very, very important. Because sometimes you overuse the space of that which maybe the drawing did not even enter inside well, or it didn't fit in very well. So how are you going to get it? Because some of the parts will be missing. Maybe the space is not for you. But as an artist, you learn to understand all those kind of things. Giving you a space, you know how to manage the space. If you draw it too small, you cannot figure out the detailing. So that's why you say proportion. You make it centralized. You make the work visible so that the future will be more pronounced. You know, art is defined as self-expression. It's not a situation where you draw something and you don't even understand it.
I just
you
want
make
to
an
be famous
artwork
to
or
help
draw
my people.
images
But people just scroll past my video.
by me looking,
Nobody
someone will
likes.
understand what's
Do you
happening
like
there.
it? Oh,
Not till
thank
you
you.
start
Then God
explaining
bless
it.
you.
If you watch this video till now, subscribe and stay tuned. This is what we do here. I'm just here to build your confidence, to spark your brain. Like you're going to achieve that which you want to achieve. It's not about determine your mindset.
Hey, if you're watching this,
You
could you
learn something
maybe
today.
subscribe? It'll
See you
really help me
in the
out.
next video.
If not, it's okay. Hope you have a great
God
day.
bless.